comment below if you like my new side tables. I went shopping at the Range for the first time. I have been in need of some side tables, but I've been holding off on the side tables. I've been like looking for a really nice ones, and like these I got from the Range. Yes, they were, I believe they were 30, I think it was 39.99 or 49.99, somewhere around that. I'll put a link in the description box for you guys if you want to purchase it. But yeah, the Range, you guys, really nice. So this is my current vase setup. So these eucalyptus are from, these ones are Home Sense, and the flower is Poundland. But yeah, I just decided that I really want like full on proper, like a whole vase full of eucalyptus. So I picked up some eucalyptus, and I don't know what this is called, but it looks pretty. I picked it up from Primark. These are £1.50, and usually I would get these type of stuff from TK Maxx, Home Sense or Wilko. Primark are way cheaper. The eucalyptus is for my vase for my dining table, and this one is actually for a different video that will be coming up really soon. But yeah, I'm really excited. But yeah, like I just wanted to show you guys, seriously, Primark's like fake artificial plants, really nice.